times negative 5. Trey, how many negative numbers are there? 1. So is my answer going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. And then what's 3 times 5?
15.
Questions on that one? Okay, Jada, number 2. How many negative numbers do I have? 1. So is my answer going to be positive or negative? Negative. And then what is 6 times 8?
48.
Thank you, Jada.
You're welcome.
Questions? A and B, please. Go. A, B, stand when you're done. Oh, got an A. What'd you get?
Negative 18.
Thumbs up if you agree. Negative 18. B, what did you get, Aaron? Thumbs up if you agree. Awesome. Moving on to the next example. Told you it was going to go fast. Example 3. Negative 11 times negative 9. Addie Swanson, how many negative numbers do I have? Example 3. What? I have 2, so is my answer going to be positive or negative? Positive. And then what is 11 times 9? 99. Questions? Okay, the next example. You have negative 4 squared. What does the squared mean?
2. Times 4.
Times 2 or what?
4. Times itself.
Times itself. Okay? So this actually means negative 4 times negative 4. So how many negatives do you have there?
2.
So is your answer positive or negative?
Positive.
And what is 4 times 4?
16.
Okay, this is different than this. Okay, so in this example right here, the negative was included in the parentheses. Therefore, you include that when you take it times itself. Here is the negative inside the parentheses. No. So you only take what's inside the parentheses times itself. So what is inside the parentheses?
4.
So I actually take 4 times 4, but I have a negative on the outside. So now do I have, how many negatives do I have?
2. 1.
1. So is my answer positive or negative? Negative, and then 4 times 4 is?
16. Wait.
So there is a difference when the parentheses includes the negative or it doesn't include the negative. Okay? This was an example I'm showing you. It wasn't in the book.
Why did they give us like the most simple examples, not like any that are actually on our homework?
Questions?
So then you understand it. It's easy to do, but then you understand how. But they don't go to any like.
It's not a mathematical question, so I'm moving on. Gracie, number 5. Do you have, how many negatives do you have? 3 of them. So is my answer going to be positive or negative? What? I have 3 of them.
Try again.
It's going to be negative because 3 is an odd number, and there's an odd number of negatives. The answer is negative. 3 times 4? Times 2? 24. So negative 24. Questions, comments, concerns? C, D, E, go.
Please stand up. Stand up.
1. You should be at your seat and you should be quiet.
As I have it.
Blake.
Blake, hush.
Damien. Letter C, what'd you get?
48.
48. Thumbs up if you agree. Awesome. Aaron, D, what'd you get? 25. Thumbs up if you agree. What if this would have said negative 5 to the third power?
It'd be
25 times 5. Yeah, so.
Would it be positive or negative?
It would be 125.
It would be positive 125.
No,
Negative.
We know it's going to be a negative because this would be negative 5
It'd be 125.
times negative 5
Negative.
times negative 5, which is an odd number of negatives, so we know it's going to be negative
125.
and then 125.
Easy.
That wasn't the problem in the book, it was just an example. E, what did you get, Claire?
-105.
Thumbs up if you agree. Awesome.
Oh, thumbs up.
Okay, I have one last example, then you're going to do some on your own, and then you get your homework, and most people are going to get done in class.
Are you sad about that? You are?
It doesn't make a difference to me if you do it in class or not.
No.
All right, got it, Ash. Read it for me, Gracie.
Number 6.
Got it, Ash.
Mr. Simon Bank automatically
Deduct?
deducts 4 monthly
Maintenance?
maintenance fee from his savings account. Write a multiplication equation to represent the maintenance fee for 1 year. Then find the charge.
Okay, first of all, we need to underline the important information. So go ahead and do so. Underline, what do you need to know from that? Steven, what's one thing we need to know from that? Uh-huh.
You say 90 feet per minute.
It's a little above it.
He has no idea where we're at. Where I'm at.
It automatically deducts $4 monthly.
Good, so deducts a $4 monthly maintenance fee. What else do we need to know? Where's our other number at? That's our multiplication sentence. What, Carter?
1 year.
1 year.
Where'd you see that?
The very end. What's the multiplication sentence going to be?
Be 4 times, no, -4 times 1. And it just be -4 to the 12th power.
Not to the 12th power.
That would be
Oh, will it just be again? Yeah.
So everyone agrees deducts means to take out $4, so -4. Times,
Or pay.
do they do it once a year or once a month?
1 year. Once a month.
Monthly, so they do it once a month,
So times 12.
so times 12, because that's how many months are in a year. Is my answer positive or negative, Callie? It's gonna be negative, and it's gonna be negative what?
48.
Question, comments, concerns?
No concerns.
Okay, rest on page 236. Check to get your assignment.